Here's the Buoyant force lab setup. So we have a bunch of samples. So we just need to do the measurement for one of the sample. So aluminum, right? This is brass. This is steel, and I just picked the copper sample. And the measurement is really easy for this lab. So first, we need to measure the mass of the sample, weight of the sample in air like this, using this scale. It's a very sensitive scale. It can measure hundredth of a gram. So right now it's not balanced, so we have to balance this scale right like this. And now it's almost balanced now. You also need to adjust this circular vernier scale. So slowly dial it until it touches the zero balance, like something like this. Almost right. Okay, so let's say this is almost balanced, right? So what would be the total weight? So this is 70 gram, right? And circular scale 1, right? Because is 0 is touching 1 gram, but not 1.1 gram yet, right? So 71 gram plus, now we also need to see the hundredths of a gram, hundredth of a gram, which is this rotating circular scale. So to see the hundredth of a gram, to read the hundredth of a gram, you have to see the base alignment with the upper scale. Okay, so I think the base alignment is what do you think? So the base alignment, you can see, is this one, and that's how many divisions? It's right, 1 2 3 4, so 0.04, right? Because since it is base aligned with this, here is the base alignment, 0.04. So the total weight is 71.04, right? 71.04 gram is the total weight mass of the sample in air. Now the second part of the measurement is measure the weight of the sample, same sample, right, when it is completely submerged, something like that. And there's a little trick actually. This scale has this platform, and you can put the beaker with water on this platform, so that you're measuring the weight of the sample just in water medium, without measuring the weight of the beaker itself. So then do the same thing. So make sure the sample should not touch the side of the beaker anywhere. It should freely dip submerge into the water. This is a fresh water. And then again you readjust this scale. So you have to reduce that, of course, right? Because it weighs less in water. We know that. Now again, do the same thing. Adjust it, fine tune this scale until you get completely balanced, and read the scale. That's it. So I guess this is the scale balance, right? And this is now your main scale is 60 gram, 63, right? Not yet 63.1 yet, 63. And now to see the circular scale, you have to see you have to check the alignment. So I guess this is the good alignment here, right here. So 0.05 is the hundredth of a gram. So the total weight of the given sample in water medium is 63.05. Okay, 63.05. Or maybe not, 63.06, because I see, if you just see at this level, the best alignment I see is this 0.06, this one. So this is 100th of a gram. So the total weight is 63.06 3.06 gram.